Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best outdoor chairs for sports. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best outdoor chairs for sports based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Kijaro Dual Lock Chair. Here we have the Kijaro Dual Lock Chair, a sleek and contemporary option for mobile relaxation. The Kijaro brand provides high-quality chairs and convenient extras in a trendy cayman blue iguana hue. This chair is sure to become a favorite thanks to its comfortable no-sag sitting and high-end ventilation provided by the diamond ripstop polyester fabric. The sturdy and lightweight dual lock chair can support up to 300 pounds with ease. It weighs just 9.4 pounds. You can rest assured that you will always be comfortable and well equipped with the 2 cup holders, organizer with zip, and mesh compartments, carry strap, and carry bag. Its lightweight and foldable construction makes it ideal for picnics, camping trips, and tailgating. The Kijaro Dual Lock Chair is an excellent combination of utility and adaptability. You may open the lock for more stability or fold it up for portability and a variety of seating configurations. Number 2. Helinox Chair Zero. Helinox's new Chair Zero folds up into a space no bigger than a water bottle and weighs only 1.2 ounces. For maximum strength and minimum weight, it is made from high-tech DAC aluminum alloy. The ripstop polyester seat and storage bag are tough, fade and UV resistant, and washable in a home washing machine. This ultralight backpacking and camping chair can be built up in seconds with just one bungee cord, and it stands at an impressive 8.5 inches tall when in use. The Helinox Chair Zero is an excellent choice for adventurers who value portability and comfort, and the company backs it with a solid 5-year guarantee. To that end, load up your Helinox Chair Zero and hit the pass. Number 3. Kelty Low Loveseat Camping Chair. Here's the Kelty Low Loveseat Camping Chair, the ultimate in camping comfort for snuggling up with your loved one. This chair is only 13.5 inches off the ground, making it ideal for use in the great outdoors. 2 adults or 1 adult and the family dog can stretch out in ease on its slightly reclined form. You don't even have to be at the beach to enjoy the padded and insulated 600D polyester fabric, which is nearly unbreakable. The sturdy steel frame of the Low Loveseat is supplemented by 2 removable armrests that each have insulated beverage containers, perfect for keeping your favorite cold drink and savory snacks cool. The sturdy construction and careful attention to detail make this chair suitable for users up to 500 pounds. You can't go camping without it because of how long it will last and how well it cushions your steps. The Loveseat weighs only 15 pounds, making it easy to transport or store when you're done using it. The Kelty Low Loveseat camping chair will allow you to relax in comfort no matter where the trail may lead you. Number 4. Trademark Innovations Loveseat Style Double Camp Chair. The Loveseat Style Double Camp Chair by Trademark Innovations. Anyone who enjoys camping and wants to improve the quality of their outdoor experience will appreciate this one-of-a-kind product. We have created a must-have product that will make your next camping trip one for the books by combining exceptional endurance with great design. Each of the 2 seats in this chair can hold up to 440 pounds, making it ideal for larger parties. The polyester coating on its high-quality alloy steel frame ensures years of use and comfort. The chair's armrests make it more pleasant to sit in, and its foldable design makes it simple to transport and store. Camping enthusiasts can't do without the Loveseat Style Double Camp Chair from Trademark Innovations. If you want to take your camping experience to the next level, here is the way to do it. The black color scheme and sturdy construction give it a stylish appearance, while the high carrying capacity and compact foldability make it a convenient travel companion. The Loveseat Style Double Camp Chair by Trademark Innovations is a fantastic item that will greatly enhance your camping experience. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair. Here's the perfect chair for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair. This chair, in GCI Outdoor's characteristic form, with a stunning cinnamon red color, and can be folded flat for simple storage and transport. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair is constructed with a powder-coated steel frame, padded armrest, and a breathable mesh back that can hold up to 250 pounds. In addition, the innovative spring action rocking technology integrated into this chair guarantees a gentle rocking motion wherever you may be. Additionally, The built-in cup holder makes it easy to take your favorite drinks with you wherever you go. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Chair is perfect for lounging around in the backyard, on the patio, at a sporting event, or at camping. Bring this fashionable folding chair along on your next outdoor excursion. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.